Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Guys, do you want to lose weight? Do you want to detox your body and get yourself prepared and ready for the summer? Now, this is a recipe which I want to share with you. It is very simple. It is very unique. It is an amazing, it is credible. I do it every day as much as I can. You can do it for a nice good 10 or 15 days or 30 days. It doesn't matter. Guess and tell me what? It is lemon and apple cider vinegar for a perfect weight loss and detox. A lot of people say, well, I want to see you, Chef Ricardo. Now, I'm going to tell you this. Look at this. This used to be tight on me. Now, look, you can see exactly I lose so much weight, but it's unbelievable. But it's also very good for your health, and it's also very good for your legs and all these things. Anyway, stay blessed, stay tuned in. Make this one first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and also at night before you go to your bed you can have a drink of it. It is an amazing, and I know you guys will enjoy it. So for now, we're going to show you exactly how to do this beautiful simple recipe. Get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Big up yourself every time. So this is my glass, and I'm going to be showing you how to make the most healthiest weight loss drink. This is one thing you want to drink first thing in the morning. We're going to get lemon. You can use half a lemon or lime. Squeeze it out. Inside of your cup like this. I'm going to put some apple cider vinegar of about 1.5 teaspoons. We're going to pour some water into it like this. Mix it. Now, this is a drink you want to drink every morning for at least 7 days for a perfect weight loss right here. Apple cider vinegar, lime, and water. Not only that, it's good for your kidney. It does detox the kidney. This gives you a lot of energy and make you feel good for the day. I would encourage you to give this a try also. Now, remember, you can get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Very powerful drink, alright? You can get it on Amazon or go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk. So this right here, I drink this every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can drink it 2 times a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening before bedtime. Here's a recipe. Enjoy it, and I will be seeing you with more recipes and more ideas. Have a good time. Bye. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday, and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to feel some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch, and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together.